Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. The first one, maybe it's a problem of audio player, so let's say you use Apple Music or Spotify or your browser. Just remove it from the cache and open it again. Now check, maybe it fixed your problem. Also I recommended to check is your application have the last version, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it and update. If it didn't help you, the next one we need to check is you have the last software version. So open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I am, but we need to wait. And you will see this menu. Now you need to click at the three lines at the left top and go to upgrade firmware. It check for updates and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, at the bottom you will see a button download, you just tap on it and it will install the last version for you. Now if it also didn't help you, next one what I recommended to do is to firstly you need to restart your phone or another device what connected with your earbuds. And if it also didn't help you, now we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then at the left side we have connectional button. You press and hold the disconnectional button until this LED light flashed red 2 times. Firstly it entered to pairing mode, we keep holding it. One and two. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and right here click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to use this connectional button, we can only tap on it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!